I've been teaching at Colfax High School for 25 years, and the first 10 years I taught exclusively math. About 15 years ago, the woodshop was going out of business, and I took it over because I knew what a valuable resource it would be for the students. So I teach math, pre-engineering, and woodshop. We've been very fortunate with a numerous number of grants from Lemelson MIT in the past, and recently a national award from Harbor Freight Tools for Schools. What we do is we work with local Forest Service, local fire and tree services so that when they clear lots of fuel reduction waste to make our community safer, rather than bring it to the landfill where it decomposes, releasing carbon and methane, they bring it to us where we mill it into lumber to make wood products out of it. So we make wood products from this fuel reduction waste. We sell these products on our web store, treetransformation.com, and a portion of the proceeds from our web store go back to the National Forest Foundation, keeping our forests healthy and safe for our communities. However, much of the fuel reduction waste delivered to us we cannot use to make into lumber, so we've been researching and designing new ways to use this fuel reduction waste in a carbon-friendly, productive way. Finally, we have come up with a fantastic, small-scale, cogeneration incinerator that anybody can afford. So we have the background, the experience, and the students to make that happen.